We got busy with filling out forms and then I gave a workshop next day. Still, we didn't have any clothes. It felt like a self-fulfilling prophecy, because for the first time I realized why in some countries, if you try to buy our book, I am called Mark Stickdorn there. Wearing the same clothes for the 2 days without hygiene articles. I'm really sorry for all workshop participants. It was a thing. I think some stuff comes together here this time. But then yesterday night, our luggage arrived. Interestingly, when you fly, you would think they hurry up to bring you the luggage. But what they did is they wrapped it up and sent it by mail. So when we asked the hotel, did our luggage arrive? They said, no, but your parcels arrived. So I got clothes. I'm the unstinky Stickdorn today. Welcome to my talk. All right. I'm going to keep it brief. So that was the sweat thing. You realized that, right? Yes. Okay. I'm going to keep it brief. It's really just an introduction to the topic. If you want to learn more, talk to me. We have a booth outside. Drop by. Happy to go into details, because it's a huge topic I've been talking about for 6 years now. I've done several workshops over the last years on the topic. So I thought I don't want to recap everything and explain everything again. It's really just a brief introduction now.